In this video, I'll be giving you my AliExpress affiliate program review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. AliExpress is one of the world's largest online marketplaces, and its affiliate program has become a popular way for content creators, marketers, and bloggers to earn money. Today, I'll break down how it works, how to get started, and tips to maximize your earnings. The AliExpress affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by promoting products sold on AliExpress. It's completely free to join, and once approved, you can start generating affiliate links for millions of products. When someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale, making it a potentially passive income stream. One of the biggest advantages of the AliExpress program is its wide product selection. From electronics and fashion to home goods and beauty products, there's almost something for every audience. This diversity makes it easy to promote products that match your niche or the interests of your followers, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Commissions vary depending on the product category and the specific promotional campaigns running at the time. On average, you can earn between 3% and 10% per sale, with higher rates available during seasonal promotions and special events. AliExpress also provides regular bonuses and incentives for top-performing affiliates, making it worth paying attention to the affiliate dashboard. The program offers a user-friendly dashboard where you can create affiliate links, track clicks, monitor conversions, and view your earnings. This makes it easy to measure the effectiveness of your marketing efforts and adjust your strategies to improve performance. You can also use the built-in tools to create banners, widgets, and deep links that drive traffic to specific products or categories. To be successful with AliExpress affiliate marketing, focus on quality content and targeted promotion. Share honest product reviews, tutorials, and guides on YouTube, blogs, social media, or email newsletters. Audiences are more likely to make purchases when they trust your recommendations. Consistent content and niche-focused marketing can significantly increase your conversions and overall earnings. While the program is legitimate and widely used, keep in mind that shipping times from AliExpress can be long, and customer service varies by seller. It's important to communicate this honestly when recommending products to maintain credibility with your audience. Overall, the AliExpress affiliate program is a solid option for anyone looking to earn money online. With a massive product selection, competitive commissions, and simple tracking tools, it's a flexible and accessible way to monetize your audience if you approach it strategically.